place where people are going to be jealous of us.
I think, Sheldon.
We got real cheese. We got real
Auntie
bread.
Beth made that Louie's mama. What do you think? Show her how much you love it, Sheldon. She's gonna love to watch you check it out. Come see. Aren't you happy that there's no face on it? Mommy, you touched it. It's mine. Don't touch it. What do you think, Sheldon? Just so you know, Beth, it's going to drive me nuts not to check that book out. He likes it. Sheldon, show her what you think of it. Come on. She wants to hear how you talk. Don't look in her dress. That's tacky. Sheldon. Don't chew the book either. What do you think?